Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll be painting our car with this, a paintbrush. Is this a good idea? Probably not, but will it look good? Highly unlikely. But the great thing about this is it will save us a lot of time not having to mask all the windows. So let's see how this goes. Now let's do a quick walk around the car. So I last spray painted this car 5 years ago, and this side gets a lot of sun and the clear coat has faded, and now we have pits and streaks in the clear coat. The fender was involved in a crash with a truck, and the insurance supposedly got this professionally painted by a panel beater. That's why it looks different. The back end looks slightly better. The paint looks less tired on the side. And you can see cracks and bubbles on the surface. So yes, the whole paint job looks very tired. I will start with this panel. And like I said, it was involved in a crash with a truck. I have great parking etiquette and was nicely positioned within my lines. The truck attempted to pull out without knowing my car was there. The driver said my paint was dull and he didn't see my car in the dark. So it was repaired by a panel beater, but after 5 years you can clearly see they cheaped out on the paint. And I'll start by wet sanding this with 600 grit sandpaper, then wash it down. You should really wipe it down with wax and grease remover, but I'm not going to spend the time to do this properly. And I'm going to lay the paint on. I'm just going one direction up and down, and this is the paint I'm using. It's an aqua enamel paint. It's not really car paint, but it should be hard wearing. It cost me $7 for the paint and $20 for consumables. And I'm not going to mask up the indicator, I'll just paint around it. And this is the final product. And this is the car fully done. I don't know if you can call this fully done, but here it is anyway. To get rid of the lines and give it shine, you could leave the paint to harden for a few days, and you could wet sand with 1000 grit sandpaper and use polish afterwards. But we don't make the effort on this channel, so we'll leave it here. It also probably needs another coat of paint, but I honestly can't be bothered. It is what it is. And you can see that I didn't sand this down properly. You can still see the bubbles. From 50 meters away the paint job looks okay, but get up close and this looks hideous. It really needs another coat of paint, but I've used a litre of paint and I'm not going to buy any more. And you can see the deep scratches because I didn't spend the time to prepare the surface properly. Anyway, how would you rate this job out of 10? That's pretty much it. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.